Welcome to Cast Mikey, where I try using Magic Keyboard on 13.3. Hey friends, look what I have here. Cardboard box. What's in it? I'd like to tell you. It's a Magic Keyboard. Magical things are inside here. Now my first thought when I picked it up was it seems kind of heavy. So let me grab an iPad. Oh, look at that. Seems heavier than the iPad itself with the keyboard case on it. Let me grab something a little heavier. 13-inch MacBook Pro. They seem roughly about the same weight, which is very interesting. Let's cut it open. Safety first. Magic. Very nice, well-built box, and very nice box inside of a box, or the outer box to the inner box. Pretty solid. Nice pull tab here. Oh, dang it. Dang it! No, that didn't work. Shoot. Is it going to open like an iPhone box? Flexing. Recyclable. Actually, it means it's recycled cardboard because it has a recycled cardboard feel to it. Very nice. Apple doing its due diligence for the environment. Pull this open. This is new cardboard. Now this one is a bit used. This is more like a dark gray, where this looks pretty black, and I opened it upside down. Boo! Or did I? No, that's where the camera is in this guy. See the camera bump difference? Got your seam here. Hello. Hello. Definite click. Let's close you up. I hope we get stickers. I mean, I could have bought iPad and got stickers. No, we don't get stickers. Magic Keyboard, just viewing angle, charge iPad using USB-C port. We're going to be doing more than just charging it with that USB-C port. We'll see what it can all do. So, we'll open it. Take this iPad out here. Same material on the back side. Interesting. Contacts here are gold. See the shimmer? Contacts here are silver. Interesting. It's a dull silver instead of a shiny gold. These push down. These also push down. Click button is actually in the center of the trackpad, so you have consistency all the way around. Older MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros, they actually had the button towards the top. Yes, but you could still click all the way around. And you would notice it's firmer at the top than the bottom. Alright. Okay, you can still mash it. That's good to know. Sorry, I'm seeing if I can just throw it on. I mean, just a strong magnet. Hey, it sticks! Trying to get up at the camera hole. If I go up above, it sticks. You can throw your iPad onto it. It's not gonna work if I just stick it, I guess. Unlike iPad, they use accessories. Probably because I didn't put it on correctly. It's not working right. break it already. Nice. Keyboard. Keyboards. Add a keyboard. Ooh, I can add Giphy? Is that Giphy? I don't see it. I also don't have mouse support. So as of right now, this keyboard works really good with the iPad on 13.3. Wait 1 second. Let me see if I can charge. I can charge. Let me see if I use an accessory, can I charge? I can charge. Let's see if I hard drive, can I charge? Not charging. Okay, let's go to files. Okay, actually wait. That did not spin up at all. So we're not charging. You can too charge, you just charged. Don't give me that. We're gonna plug you in here. You turned on. Files app. I hear you on. You are there. Okay. Welcome to Magic Keyboard 13.3.1. You can charge. There's the review. I mean, it's a very nice charger. Get different tilt heights with it, but seems a little pricey for just charging your iPad. Well, there's that video for you. Let me go update.